was sitting here praying, crying out for the people in Florida, especially Tampa. And while I was praying, what God literally dropped in my mind, I saw angels, huge angels, 20-foot tall angels, just linking arm to arm, protecting God's people. I know that this storm, we all know that most likely it is man-made. There was confirmations with, Alexa, with different government projects in the past. We know that the government has a capability to alter the weather. We have just seen how Milton devastated Mexico. Mexico